Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode with Workwear Company. So, if you watched my last video, I showed you all how to hoop a polo shirt. Now with this polo shirt, I'm going to show you how to embroider it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my logo. So, we want this logo here. Confirm embroidery. So the logo is now on there and ready to use. So I need to make sure that the logo is going to fit inside my hoop. Make sure you can all see. No, you can't. There. So I need to make sure that the logo is going to fit inside my hoop. So what I do, so this is saying it's not going to, so it's beeping and flashing red. So I'm going to frame select. This is hoop D. So I'm going to move it to hoop D. This is my trusty embroidery machine that I've now had for about 6 years and it's never missed a beat. And then I'm going to click on this button. I mean, every machine's going to be different. So this is a Haluma, but every machine's going to be different. So obviously I can show you on this machine, but yours is probably a Tajima, so, or a Brother. So now I'm just going to check the colours. So for some reason it's saying gold. We don't want it in gold. We want it in blue, which is 6. And then we want the writing in white, which is 3. Tick. So you place this onto the machine, like so. You check underneath to make sure that there's nothing in the way and to make sure that it's not folded on itself and it's getting to embroider itself, because sometimes it does that. You then check the bobbin. So as you can see, the bobbin's full. I'll do another video on how to change the bobbin. So, things to check. Frame selected it. It's going to fit inside the frame. The colour's correct. Check the bobbin. It's definitely on the machine properly. So all I'm going to do now is press start. So at the moment it's running on 4,000 stitches a minute. We're going to take this up. I usually run the machine on about 840. Like so. So obviously this logo was just a format that wasn't able to go onto the machine, so I had to get the logo digitized, which I used a software called Patch. So I used Patch software to digitize the logo. It's now embroidering. I'm going to zoom in on that. Switch the light off. Yeah. Okay, so now it's embroidered. I'm going to remove it from the machine. You can see it's embroidered. We're then going to remove the hoop. And then what you're left with is the embroidery and then the piece of backing paper that you put in before. You then take the scissors. So as I explained in my first video when I hooped this garment, this is cutaway backing. So very carefully with the scissors, cut around the outside of the logo. Just make sure that you don't actually cut the garment. I've done that a few times. Like so. It's so frustrating when you cut the garment because you have to start all over again. So the garment's cut out, backing tape's cut out, sorry. So once this is washed a couple of times, this will just soften it. And here we have Polo Shirt ready for work. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope it's been helpful.